Hi, this is Bohan Zhang from CS506, Boston University. This is a presentation about the midway report of my project. As you can see, this project is mainly focused on detect the fake news and by mainly focused on model birds and distill birds. Um, for now, I in the rest of the semester, I probably gonna try the other model like a CNN or LSTM, some other model. Um, so before we look at the code, we need check the data sets, which is this one. You can see there's two data set. I download both of them. One was all the fake news. One was all the true news. You can see this is sorry. This one was true news. No label, so we need do something with our datasets and combine the true news dataset and fake news dataset together. So I combine them together and shuffle them. That's gonna prevent the model being lazy, and you can see that's a result. So that is exactly what first cell is doing. And besides that, we're gonna to calculate the text length distributions to that is for our to determine the relationship between the text length and token length. So for second cells, we have for each word English word, we're gonna embedding them to a vector, which is called a vector embedding. Uh, for this part, uh, we we can see that after the transform, the number of the embedding the number of the token is about relatively same as the number of the word. The average is about 510. So we use the default number of the model birds, which is 512, which is perfect because our data is mainly about 500 somehow. So, which means our data set is somehow is very fit for our model. So we're gonna split our test set and the training sets. This is what this cell's doing right here. Because this cell was too big, is about 45,000 data sets in 4 dimensions. So it's take a long time to compile. And for this part, I was trying to do a word cloud, but the data set was too big. I cannot compute this in 20 minutes, so I just doing this later. For word cloud is like the biggest chance the word appearance in fake news versus the biggest chance of the word um, appearance in the true news in a diagram. So I will fix this part later. And by building up the model, as you can see, we pick our max length, which is vector embedding length. The dimension is 512, which is very fit for our data sets. And we apply the early stopping because the data set was too big. If data sets loss is about the same, we're gonna stop our stop the model to learn. And for this early stop, we use accuracy as a standard. As you can see, we training pretty good. The training loss was smart enough. And early stop, by applying the test set data to, sorry, um because the data was too big, so I only picked the first 1,000 data to split them to training set and test set. After I just figured out I cannot compute this in 70 hours if I use the whole data set. So 800 training sets, training the model, 200 data set test accuracy, and you can see the result was very, very good, 100% accuracy. I will focus on other model and uh, use other parameter in probably BERT to see what is different between each model doing an NLP task. Thank you.